Hey folks, it's Finn. Morning folks. So it's still really warm, but we've got a bit of rain, so it makes it a little bit more pleasant. And I thought before the festival gets really busy, I'll take you a little walk through. So it's obviously much smaller than Glastonbury. I do actually prefer really small festivals. The only big festival I do is Glastonbury, to be fair. I like the more kind of community feel. So we're trying to work out last night, we think it's about 15,000 people. So come on then, let's take you for a walk through. So as you can see, it's fairly easy to walk around quite quickly, which is really lovely. I love doing this straight after Glastonbury because it just feels like really chilled out in comparison. You can't get lost here. It's lovely. I've been coming since truck 11, and I can't think what truck we're on now. I think my first year was 2007. I missed a few years. So I've really seen this place grow as well, and it's just a really lovely family festival. It's kind of loads of local bands, but there is kind of like bigger people as well, like Capalid's here this year. But it's a really nice place to find new music, and also to kind of see people that are just starting out, and you get to see them on a smaller stage. And I've seen lots of people like that, so it's a fab festival. Morning! This says you can't be healthy at a festival. It's alright there. Cake next.
Friday night at this festival, on the first day of festival, this is as good as it's going to get, because see tomorrow half of you will be spewing, you'll be puking up, some of you will have the shits. Yeah. So this one is for all those people tomorrow who will have the shit. Hold me while you